Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can disconnect the lines of a shape. So I'm just going to randomly create a shape right now. Just going to create this blob. I don't know. Select this icon here, and then you're going to click the shape tool. And as you can see, there's these like triangles. You're just going to select it and kind of like move it to like disconnect it, as you can see. But for instance, if you want to disconnect other lines, you're going to right click on the like join part, just like break apart on it, and then press Control on your keyboard and you can kind of like move it. Oh well, you can move it, it's just very hard to. Oh, there we go. So you don't need to press Control, just move the lines again, right click, break apart, and you can just move the line like that. That's how you can break apart a shape on CorelDraw. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.